gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Chelsea Gorgeous. You're welcome. So today I'm working with this unit, yes, from Alibonnie Hair. This is their water wave 5x5 lace wig and it's 20 inches. We want to see how I install this unit. I turn this 5x5 to 13x4. You can see it looks like 13x4, right? But it's 5x5. So if you want to see how I got this, how I install this wig, keep on watching. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't and hit on that bell icon if you do. Thank you so much, gorgeous, for doing that. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out.
You don't wanna go slow for sure. We both already know.
5x5. This is a 5x5 lace wig. I don't know, my face is very bright. Seeing it on camera, I don't know why it's so bright. Maybe I need to change my camera because I'm using this Canon EOS 100 EOS. I'm saying it in French. Yeah, EOS is English. Okay, that's the camera I use, and I need to change so many things. My camera, tripod, so many things I need to change. So let's start with this hair. You can see it's water wave. See the coils. I'm going to add water for us to see. So I'll cut out the excess lace from it. I used a brownish lace wig. I'll see whether, let's see if I can put this by this side. Should I put, I like center. Let me put it in center. You guys know I love center part. You can see this. So I think I need to spray it. Okay, before I cut it, let me add this air brush legs on the lace. Okay, let's go. Change the color. Let me see. Can you guys see this? Even this is almost gone. I need to get another one. Which of my videos do you prefer? Is it when I talk while filming or when I do voiceover? Guys, let me know in the comment section the one you prefer. The voiceover is kind of faster for me when I'm editing my videos. Why when I talk at the same time film the video is a little bit, yeah, my lighting is small. Yeah, so when I am talking at the same time filming the video is a little bit longer for me. Oh, I should change my, let me change this. I think this is better. Don't like this. Ignore this, okay? Yeah, this is better. Let's pop this on. Yeah. Immediately I wear the wig, my face, the color of my face was just bright. Maybe because it's black. That is why, because the hair is black. I feel like, you see, immediately I wore the wig, the lighting is, so let me reduce it a little. And when I reduce it, the hair will be dark. Oh, I don't know what to do. Let me zoom. Okay, better this way, right? So let's cut the excess lace from it. I need to hold this down first. So I'm not twisting it, okay? Let's do something very fast and smart. let me show you how you can do your 5 by 5 wig. Convert it to either 6 by 13 by 6, or why did I put this here? I always put it at the back. Either 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. I want to change this 5 by 5 to 13 by 6 or 13 by 4. We are changing it. So you can change 5 by 5, install it the way you want it to be. Not glued down. That's one thing I like about this 5 by 5. You don't need to glue them down. When I added this hairbrush legs, the difference is just magic. I like center part. Center part is my friend. You guys know that I love center part. Is this thing straight? Is it straight? Straight. I want the party to be so long. So long. Okay. You see, this is how long I want it to be. This place is not straight. Oh, sorry here. Okay, you see, this is how long I want it to be. You see this? I'm going to use wax stick so that the hair can flat little. Let me just use wax stick here to flatten it, to maintain this line. I still want it more longer, and the lace is so long. You see, up to this way. This is the joining. That's so cool. He's so cool. He's so cool. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm so excited today, which is good. All right, that is done. So it's time to lay my baby hairs. I'm not going to glue it down like I said, okay? So just watch me, see what I want to do.
Walk, keep on walking straight to the
I'm just going to take some hair like this. Okay.
don't tell a million lies.
More and more and more. We're seeing this, need to bring this out. Okay, then I'll take from this corner. All right, this is what I want.
Won't you stop? Don't you shut us down. Speak.
So remember, I'm not gluing it down, just going to cut this, okay, out, and I'm going to use styling gel, little of styling gel and mousse. Let's try styling gel. First of all, I'll put mousse here. Take this backward because I don't want to add styling gel on the hair. Okay, like this first, then I'll take the gel and just
Tell me that we'll be fine. Always still in love. Yeah. Walk, turn around and walk away. Is the easiest way.
you see this. So that's what we need to do. I just need to take it, join it to this to cover this area here. In that way, it will look like 13 by 6. but it's 5 by 5, mind you. It's 5 by 5 lace wig. Alright, I'm going to trim hair as well. Then when I'm trimming, you see, for it not to be too long, you measure it with your eyebrows here. You see, then you cut. Okay, that's what I do. Take this backward. All right, then I'll take my gel end. You see that? So let me do the other side off camera, then I'll be right back. You can see the coils after I wet it. You saw it before I wet the hair. So if you want to leave it wet because it's wet and wave, you can leave it wet. Then if you want to leave it dry, you can. All right, the hair is so gorgeous. And look at my hand, did not shed, no shedding. And this is what I was going for. When you look at it, you think it's 13 by 4 lace wig, but it's 5 by 5 lace wig. Let me show you guys the back. It, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, this hair tutorial, the installation and the unboxing. So I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Join the gorgeous family, and if you do, please don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.